Welcome back to the sawmill, everyone. I've got a couple old bundles of slabs here. I've got the bundle up, well, band up. They're already in a bundle. Band them up where I can have them to load up and get them out of here. This is the aggravating part of the job. Almost as bad as sticking lumber. And that's what I got to do sometime today. I've got to strip some lumber before it molds. This hot, humid weather around here, it don't take it long. I gotta get this done and free up my slab racks. This second bundle back here, I might have it too big. I don't know if my skid steer handle it or not. It's got some hardwood in it. We'll see here shortly. Oh man. All right, that's one of them banded up and ready.
Now right here in this clip, I removed the sound because my mic, the noise cancellation part of it is not very well. And it was just almost unbearable to listen to with the machine noise in the background and me talking. So here I'm just picking up that first bundle and I'm going to take it back here and put it on the pile and have it for when the guy needs a load for his pottery kiln. I can go back there and pull them out 5 bundles and load the truck and send him on his way. Now right here I'm coming back to get the second bundle that I mentioned as I was strapping them that it may be too heavy. It wasn't nowhere near as heavy as I thought it would be. About half of the bundle is some hardwood slabs mixed in. And I was actually thinking there was some 16 footers on it, but it's not. It's 12, so it's not heavy. Right there the slab rack got bound up a little bit. And I shake it and it drops off, and here we go. We're taking it back and putting it on the pile with the rest of them.
I might have lost connection. I don't know. I may have went out of range. So now I'll move my slab rack back to the sawmill where it goes, and we can throw some logs on it. Alright, we're gonna take this slab rack back and put it at my roller table.
the white oak log we just put on there with the skid steer. I'm hoping it'll finish up a order of white oak I got back here at the back of the building. Got it in the building on sticks in the shade, so sun does some crazy things to white oak, so I'm keeping it in the shade until the man can come pick it up. Hopefully this 18-inch white oak will finish it. Pretty nice log. It's straight. It's got like a little knot right there, some kind of little knot right there, but that's it. All I seen when I was moving it anyway. I'll get that cut. Don't know that we'll get it cut in this video or not, because I got to go back here and move some lumber and stick some before it molds, because it got rained on yesterday and don't want it to mold. So I'll probably put it on some sticks and maybe let the fan run on it for a couple hours. All right, here's what we got. I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me because I'm not going to use my mic. We've got white oak on the bottom, poplar right there. This bundle's going to be poplar. And we just moved the bundle of white oak off the top. I'm keeping my bundles kind of small. I don't know exactly how many board feet's in there. I can add it up and tell you. But most of my customers don't have like a big skid steer at home to unload with. So what I've been doing since I got this little Kubota tractor is making my bundles that I'm loading for customers to where my little Kubota will pick it up. Because if it'll pick it up, more than likely what people around here's got will pick it up also. So it works well on the receiving end. They don't have to unload everything or break a bundle down until they can pick it up. Which I think that's a good idea. I personally like loading the big bundles with my skid steer because you don't have to use as much dunnage. Like that would be a bundle. I could probably get all that in one bundle with the skid steer and load it. But like I said, when it gets to where it's going, 9 times out of 10, they don't have nothing to unload it with. So making it easier on everybody. I'm gonna put this in I think I'll put this in a time lapse and stick this lumber because it's just repetitive and I absolutely despise sticking lumber, but it's one thing you got to do. Okay, this is where we're at. Time lapse I cut short because my bundle's done. Like I said before, I'm keeping the bundle small so the customer can handle it at his place. If I can load it with my little tractor, he can handle it. So those 2 bundles are done. We got 234 board feet in the bottom. We got 236 in the top. And those 2 are poplar. The bottom down there is white oak. You can see it has checked. It checked into the stickers. I should have put the stickers a little bit closer to the end. But it is what it is. A lot of these logs had checked sitting on the yard. They wasn't sealed. Ends wasn't painted or anything. So I've got to finish one more bundle of white oak. And I should have this stuff done. And the man can come pick it up. So I got to saw the log we just put on the mill. I got to saw it. It should finish this. If not, it'll come extremely close. So we'll see. I don't know if I'll get it in this video. We may just make another video sawing. And this video can be like the most dreaded stuff at the sawmill. That may be what we title it. Okay, we got it banded together. Battens banded, the bottom's banded, the white oak ain't banded yet. That's it. And these things here is the best to me, that's the best banding in the world. One tool, your tensioner, it cuts it and everything. You just a buckle that just slides in there, and then you tighten it up, it squeezes together. So I love them. Only thing I'm not crazy about, I don't know if that's nylon or what. I mean, it's tough stuff. I can drop bundles of slabs over in a tandem axle dump truck and it won't bust. It's very strong, but you about got to have a tool to stick it under there. So it's like trying to stick a wet noodle somewhere. But yeah, that's one of the dreaded parts of sawmilling took care of for today. All right, I put the poplar on that bundle of oak like I said I was gonna do. So all my bundles now is the same height. So that'll make it very easy to load. I can put any bundle anywhere and it'll line up to continue the load out being right. Now I got the big beam back on top for weight to hold it down, because you know this white oak poplar too will do some crazy stuff. So it's got a big, I don't know how big that thing is, it's heavy. About a 6x10 probably, 12 foot long. So it's got some gravity to it. It should help hold it down. If I was going to store it here for a very long period of time, I'd put another block under each sticker all the way down. But I think that's going to about do it for this, unless I decide to throw something else in it. I don't want to run it too long. But yeah, we're going to call this the sawmill's most dreaded work. And if you made it to this part of the video, I certainly appreciate it. And I'd appreciate it if you'd hit the like and subscribe button. Ring the bell so you get notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.